line. I want to understand the line, but I'm not going to farm it. And we must understand that this thing that people create in their mind is farther than them expect. How far it is, it's further than even in them.
Go on.
Pushing it outside of them and make it become almost like a terrible thing to confront. You don't want to confront it. Like if you're walking in the dark, you don't want to buck up on God.
More than a radio program, it's an institutional
Black Radar YouTube channel
with Muta Baruka.
So we put a microchip in, you know, and that is the mark of the beast. No one can buy a journalism of the mark of the beast. And that them did I say in a road when we run the day. No one could buy a journalist them deal with the emperor. So every time something happens that we don't like, we return to the book and try to validate our existence in that book.
Yes, yeah. There.
Every time we look at the book, we see something related to we. As we say, see there, they don't know, see there. And we, this is 400 years, we're in a prison. 400 years. It's 400 years. But it don't mean so because 3,000 years ago, some people that walk up and down and get lost for 400 years. It means, yeah, man, that talk about we. I know we can talk about. I know I can talk about because my grandpa is not I, and I will say we again, you know, it's not I. It's not I that I talk about. You understand? I never did a walk like I a crazy man. But I'm to the people that was in China when these things was happening. That means that God never have no responsibility if he reveal himself to the Chinese, to the Indians, to the Aboriginal, to the people them way up in Finland and all these people, to the Jews them and all these people. Nobody did have a concept of Jesus and Hebrew God. And we will say it again. The concept of God that the Christians have, that the Muslims have, cannot be interpreted as the salvation for everybody on earth. It cannot go that way because culture does not allow that to happen. Cultures does not allow that to happen. The earth never built in one culture. People spread out, people move out of Africa and find themselves in Asia, find themselves in Europe, go across certain peninsulas and end up all in America and end up all in Jamaica. Hundreds of years people there in Jamaica, you know. Hundreds of years people there in Jamaica. Before Columbus come and all them people. The people was here long time before Columbus born in Genoa, in Italy. So there's no way we're going to know damn those people to hell because of where them come from and them culture will bring them up. So all them people there,
I fry some dumplings, isn't it?
Half of them people there were the Mayan temples where them used to do things over there with the 3-day store today. So I would find say the Mayan people then they worship a certain God, they will want blood all the while. Two young virgins off of the pyramid them and all them really. They have the Israelites them used to have sacrifice young boys. Them used to kill them best of animal. The firstborn of each family was seen as precious and all them things there. All of these things take place in them days. It's not me to talk to. It's not me to talk about neither. You see, it can tell about a story with some people write 3,000 years ago where it can facilitate a certain concept and idea because of the political and social situation that they find themselves in. Through the cultural expression. And we can't leave out the culture. The culture is what defines a people. The culture defines a people. When you look at a certain culture, you know, say, yeah, so them people they move, them come from this country. So them people they move.
Yeah, man, make dumpling.
It's the culture defined.
Your cornmeal, your flour,
one religion,
baking powder.
The whole world. It's joke business. Joke business. But don't make them fool you. Most people are waiting for them save them.
Pinch of salt.
Come save them. To get them out of the poverty where they find themselves in
And you want a little sugar.
The thinking where them find themselves a thing, the thoughts them where them have. Only but people are looking for something. Them are looking for someone and them are looking for something even though them personify the thing and call it him.
Likely.
Say him. Him soon come. If you say it soon come, you say yeah, be disrespectful. But when you tell them say him, alright, him relate to a masculine, which is man. So him is a man. Them say no, he couldn't be a man. Then if him is not a man, then why you say him? Why you say him? Why if I say it I wrong? Because it is true and it's better to say it. It's better when you're dealing with your creator, you say it than to say him. Because you're giving it personality. Because when you start to say him, everything that you say about him is what man find themselves doing or is thinking. You don't believe me? Check the Bible. Check the Bible. When the Bible says God is a jealous God, with me, that man said these things. So man have to push over film with thinking and film ways onto this thing. Yes, it's a thing. Because I don't know if it's a man, I don't know if it's a woman, I don't know what it is. I know people talk about it from my bar and I hear about it. And I say, alright, if this thing is what I expect it to be, which is all this and all that, it's man that say it. Everything, the attributes of God come from man.
Put them in first,
there was no man,
and then me start roll up the dumpling. You see me I say?
God. All concepts come from God. So if a man say him, the next thing I'm going to show you say, him don't like this and him like that and him don't like that, which is really him not like it, the person who has said it, or the person who make him say it. It's not nothing out there make him say this thing. There's no law in the Bible that is coming from something out there. None. But when you put it there, in order to keep it intact, you have to give it another personality other than himself. Because people usually don't listen to the next person. Like, you know, listen to listen to prime ministers and all these people. Especially when they say certain things. But if the prime minister could have find a way to give it over to something to make you fear, just like how people make the child might not be fearful of the mother, you know, but it's from the mother.
Yes, my people.
You see, if you go over
Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know, link in the bio, you know. TopChefDundyplace. All the Jamaican recipes, you know.
And the child knows that you know to go over there, you know, go over there, because the cooking man.
Alright, make that go on bubble.
Sugar. I go over there, you understand? But that is all no fear develops in that about this thing. Yes, everybody fear this thing, unknown thing, because them things need some attribute. That is terrible. Them things is some terrible attribute. They make you afraid and fearful and all these things. And that is what we start out the argument with. Why is it that these people who are religious must have all these fear factors embedded in their consciousness to push it from people? Because all of them is fearful of this thing and then push that fear from people. A man actually say, boy, you have to go baptize in a water and baptize the Holy Spirit and name of the fire.
Right on the dumpling, you see me?
The water you get up and supposed to be a new person. There's nothing making you new more than you're thinking.
Wash off my hand back again, ready back to the flour now, you know? So your baking powder, your cornmeal, your flour, pinch of salt and your sugar. Yeah.
Those are metaphorical languages that is used to sometimes confuse the lame and the ignorant. Yes, it confuses the lame and the ignorant. Black people, we have to wake up out of these little fantasies and illusion that has been perpetuated for 400 years, 500 years, 1,000 years, 2,000 years, 3,000 years. It's a one. And we don't recognize the world is different places with different people. You understand? And what you do in your space don't necessarily mean that the man have to abide by over your space. Where man have to over next door me is where man do next door me. Maybe man do something like don't want, I wouldn't never do. But him over there. And I don't care what you want over there, as long as you don't come over here to do me time. I want to make I do it for him. It's so simple. I don't want to farm in line. I don't want to be in line. I want to understand the line, but I'm not going to farm it. You see? And we don't understand that this thing that people create in their mind.
Fried dumpling and some fish. Sea creatures, you know?
Because sometimes the project is outside.
I love fried dumplings.
Almost like
sea creature.
confront. You don't want to confront.
Tilapia.
Like it's a one in the dark, you don't want to buck up on that. It's so simple, so simple, you don't want to buck up on that. You know, because you fear, you're frightened.
Daddy, can I help make a
Sometimes people walk in a bush, you know, sometimes you go down in my bush and see a banana tree and the sun, and the moonlight, the banana leaf or rock. It looks like somebody up down there.
Sonia, what go on? The man of the top chef, man, we're there in the kitchen, you know? Yeah, man.
Because the next person, the next thing I think, you know, it's not no it's down there, you know. There's a person down there. And then nobody go really deal with it at different ways. There's a person you think, man. Some people walk down there and see that they not think there's a person. Or the banana tree. They might think there's it. Some forces and grandmother come back and they take uncle from 2-3 years ago when never see when they were dead because two of them go and come to the funeral. And it's madness. It's madness. Madness. And a whole heap away. See that somebody are watching continuously. The hunger of someone who are watching is you. Somebody else are watching still, but what you watching it? Yeah, work. Yes. This is the cutting edge and I read them. The man I talk about fantastic plastic people. Yes, fantastic plastic people. Okay, so we're not come out by the subject yet. Because we see things like that.
Good job,
I
baby.
will leave a few consciousness for them. I know all of the ones out there come to me, I know. Yes, you know, my Christian friend, them are praying for me now. Lord Jesus, just save him. Make him heart turn around and, you know, couple years ago, not even couple, several years ago, not about like maybe 7 years, a woman said, no, by university, she had give me 3 years to turn Christian. Which a man like you can't be safe for all the while. You're going to turn Christian 3 years, that was about 7 years ago. But when we look on where we are going now, we couldn't go turn Christian version. No, sir. No, because it's like a pious thing. You know, it's like a pious thing, after. People who feel for them in a better position than to be saved. Yeah, them people, they will get saved. I don't know
Play hot, you know, bro.
I tell you, say, if I come with bomb truck like Jamaica, I know the whole of it gone. You know? And when the rain fall, it don't fall for one man out stop. But when the rain fall, it don't fall for no one man out stop. You see, man live in a house and it's strong, no right, and put blood down same way. So I'm afraid that tomorrow try to COVID. You see in the past, now go down at it. When them see to them people them, down at the hospital, go pull over people and make them get saved. Eh? All them only for oil where them have a throw around people at time, but throw around people are revived. Look how much people have murdered people in Jamaica. Them to get a couple gallon of oil and throw around the whole of Jamaica and save the people them. But them are save people that revive. have to drink. Have to try food and rub up on your skin and all that, the skin shine. It can't save you from nothing. Name epilepsy and this and that by swinging it round you. And stroke business to make it look like the man have more power than you and him have a connection to God where you don't have. The people you have connection to God. If you have no connection to no God, it's like material. Just because him up there preach and you don't listen and say hallelujah to it. And him study the Bible more than you. And him have more words from the Bible. You see the boy, him save more than you. That's what God do what he want to the young girls in the church. And some of them are struggling with the people, especially in the Roman Catholic Church. Pedophiles, bunch of pedophiles. See them just move one that the Francis and Carl thing because they must say, oh, him get a little youth, tell him they will not sleep with a little youth. And them put him in another place and give him a higher ranking. And poor Francis that said, no, we have to bring him back here to come make him answer to these charges. It's just a simple thing. So all of you are going, these things is called corruption of people, corruption of culture. I hear them talk about dancehall and all that stuff there. Dancehall culture is not something that I give favor to. But when you look on what's really the culture of dancehall is where the decadence of the dancehall. And when you look on the youth them are going and all that thing there. If the fear, when them are talking about the thing of them, they put on them something, but there's something, some manifestation where they're not working properly. They must stop what church every January for them have prayer breakfast. I don't go to believe them about breakfast and things. And wear them nice jacket and tie and things and then come out and things get worse. Things not change. Things not change with them to that. All of them come down in the newspaper and say, who got the prayer breakfast and reverence this and reverence that and that. It's a terrible thing and the people them go back to them. They terrible thing is about the people them condition. The whole heap of them not is about the people them condition.
The man drop them in the pot, squeeze them, you know?
The pastor hold up a fix road.
Drop them in the pot, they look at that.
You problem is to get a big tent and have 5,000 people in that $100. If every 5,000 people, $5,100. And then you can send them people to Miami and go to university of Paris. And when they want Dr. Billy go, what they call it, the traits, the 20 section of the, hey, if you sick and tell me you want to go, 20 traits. Yeah. Mix me up with them, mix me up with them. You know the Trump go from farm and go hospital, in hospital. If go to one big hospital where the best hospital in the world that take care of them and come out and say, see there. So they must be like me, man, you see. Me immune to it now. Me and the whole life friend them are catching. The whole life friend them are catching. The people them who are jump up and talk about no mask. Them are catching too. Them look for the chart and then they say, the places where Trump keep him rally them. It's just to spike them more. Then some can't tell you say something wrong then. If the people them, with the no mask people them, in the era where them there, more people are taking more than other people them, were in the spike area. Some no more tell you something, man. To read some books, you know, if you know how to read the book and you have your phone, there's so much audio book on your phone, your iPhone, that you can really tap into. It's very important that we get information, you know, because the person the most information, I know how in the war, you know. All we are going, you know, the more information, the more you know what to do. So if you sit down ignorantly and I look on things and I stop in everything what people I say without any other perspective. Because we need some other perspective. Yeah, man, just like how we are talking about the culture of different people. You know, and what side them in a film culture. Them we are religious practices different from the man over the other side of the earth. You understand? You have to understand why them do what them do in a film culture. or why them
Tilapia, isn't it, I say? That's some fried dumpling over so.
What is the historical reference point that bring them to this part of the time, you know? Because there's something that make me here, something that make me here, we have to understand what caused us to be here right now. What caused us to be here. We have to understand it. And if we don't understand it, we might end up and repeat the madness when we go there. So, even though some people are telling you, say, yes, it's a lucky thing white man take you out of Africa and run up and down naked and wild over there. So, that is an ignorant ass. That is a person who obviously don't understand what is going on in earth historically as it relates to him and his ancestors. He don't understand it. So if you talk as that a thing about Africa, you never hear say nothing about Europe yet. You never hear me talk about the Black Plague, which destroyed 70% of the population of Europe because of nastiness. Rat infested Europe to kill a whole lot of people. And then them turn around from one another and kill one another and tell them, yes, because that group of people never believe in a Jesus and that group of people will come from them so they make it worse. Worse. They don't tell you about, when they tell you about this, but people, black people, don't even absorb it. That the tribes of Europe was fighting against the tribe of Europe in a World War I and World War II. Millions of people dead. Millions of people dead. White people kill white people like wow, and them black people are help fight them war to them. They don't tell you all these things. They don't tell you all the kings them, the crime. They don't tell you all these things. They don't tell you all the kings. The king of them, the crime out of your brain, out of your consciousness. Yeah, man. That should be the law. That should be the way. See that as a Christ tell me equal rights and justice. Now you're so relevant it is at this time to say the same thing. You know, long them song they make, and it's still relevant at this time, yeah. Because the same things them prevail. There's not that they make it to this time, you know. There's not that sing it to this time. You must sing it to a time when he where he might experience. But the more things change, the more they remain the same. So the song is very relevant now.
Yes, my people. Make sure you not subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Top Chef Dundyplace.
Just because I don't profit, but man, I don't profit because them things somewhere. You are living at the time now where it can happen and then you say, if this prophesied this already. No, it's about in time. At in time I work with. But it come now and realize that the things have changed in the social condition and it's coming so now. And you can relate it to your time. But it's not this time you did that thing it for. It's just so it goes. It's hard to really figure out that's what it's got sing, but it's what it goes. None of these articles singing for no 40 years ago. Most of these songs is not written for no. It just happened that the things don't change. Things don't change, so everything we play about the same thing and it come like a no. See there? Look how long Bamaya sing them thing that it should have in our archives right now, it shouldn't there to play again. But you play it now, it come like a no in my talk. So you relate it to now, so it can become very popular again. Because imagine a man that sing 50 years ago, or it write something 100, 2,000 years ago, and things that come to pass now, it not come to no pass. Because the social condition not change. We were going to play it the next 100 years and it's still relevant. You know, so it's just for humanity stay. Humanity stay on that trajectory there. We have to have all of these things inside of your consciousness to move you forward. I want if anybody out there want to talk, maybe we should take some phone calls. Yeah, maybe we should take some phone calls. remove the tree and them. But just we have to move it, you know. We have to move it out of our mind. And change the output again. But we have to move it out of our mind because the chain around our mind is more dangerous than the chain around the one that ancestors feet. Yeah, more dangerous. When we are going to move the chain them, that is the question. Somehow we don't even know the chain there. Somehow we don't even know the chain there. We get complacent in our way to do that. We have to say, what am I talking about? It's slave. We don't understand. We can't do what we want. We're free to do what we want, though. Free to do what you want, though. There's a mirage. Them put in front of you. Mirage. That is it.
Yes, and I.
So,
Look at that.
we'll continue the journey. As we say, if anyone want to call and say anything, we'll go up the line to you.
Yeah, man, Mr. Yard.
More than a radio program.
Merrill Road.
Institutional.
Black Radar YouTube channel.
With Mutabaruka.
Big up yourself.
The information presented in this video is motivational and is positively aimed at inspiring, educating and entertaining the viewers with the cutting edge of critical reasoning. If you enjoyed the contents on the Black Radar YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to show your support.
Cultures. And we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. One religion can suppress all cultures. Culture is who we have to people. And if you look on the world and how the world set up and how indigenous peoples all over the earth and they have their own cultural expression. So one religion can't save the world. It's just simple that. Because right now, look how much religion them have. And we have to find to their religion to feel them why this is the right way. And when we look on our life, is just based off of illusion and fantasies. And the more we live tonight, and the more we feel the reality. You know, they make up all sorts of things to grapple with. And it's like we can't do better, you know, because most of them don't really go open eyes to other perspectives. And like for instance, when we are talking about them now, and no people don't have them really know. Yeah, and no people don't have them really at all. You know, some people got everything because it's that food, like I've done with you. But that's all we always see. I believe you, my wife, my last still on me, I listen to me, I say, everything on me, I say, I'm going to have to marry you. And the black man feel disgusted, black woman feel disgusted when she hear me attack. White man sit on there and listen. Sit on and listen. And then tomorrow night, the black man, the black woman comes and tell her the past and say, this and that, if you ask the party, about something to say, you know. If don't go to the party, then damn, talk to Rasta boys, talking damn food by the way again. But Christianity and Christianity that never to examine it. Never to examine it. The Pope have over 1 billion people that follow him. The Pope. Them come, them come. For the dynasty exit, the popes. They have John.
Bandy done the big up yourself, you know, love you too, you know. But he, me, yummy. What you say, yummy? Yeah, man. You don't know yummy in your tummy, you know. Look at that.
The church
I'm looking though.
The Pope there, in the heart of Rome, the smallest city in the world. And that's a city, the smallest country in the world, the Vatican City. And this is the Pope reside. And remember place in St. Peter's Basilica. And you know why they call it St. Peter's Basilica? Because the man who named Peter, if I hear about Peter, St. Peter, the same man with the Father St. Paul, them same bury under there. If they say take him body and put under there. after them kill him. And the Pope is a representative of Jesus Christ on the earth. You hear me say? The Pope is a representative of Christ on the earth. And Mary is the mother of God.
Yeah, man, good food, you know? Yeah, man, big up, man. Respect, you know? At the Top Chef. We have a YouTube channel, you know what I mean? Top Chef Dundyplace. Go over there and subscribe. You get the long recipes, you know?
You used to talk about mother. And mother, so I call it Mother Earth. But the Pope grab it and make it become a part of a religious belief and religious practice. That if I come now and say, Mother, and start to praise Mother, you hear people have kind of damn forces that if you praise God and not praise woman, then who you think did start the whole of this thing? A woman and the Egyptian them take it on.
Look at that, yeah, man, just a evening snack, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, you know, make sure you now subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. You don't know the thing, you know. Tilapia, fried dumpling, trouble. Look at that, follow the page. You know the thing go, we gone. Yeah, man, big up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, Top Chef Dundyplace on YouTube. You get the long, in-depth instruction on how to cook the food. You see me? Big up on yourself. Look at that, yeah, man.